Simple trap in Vienna Gambit. It starts with e4, e5, knight c3, knight c6, f4, e takes f4, knight f3, g5, d4, g4, bishop c4, and if black captures the knight, then simply castles, then another capture, bishop takes f7, sacrifice, king takes f7, then we have queen h5 check, king g7, rook takes f4, threatening rook f7 mate, then knight f6, queen g5 check, king f7, then e5 to attack the knight, then bishop e7 support, and knight d5, rook g8, queen h5 check, rook g6 cover, and e takes knight, bishop d6, and we have queen takes h7 check, king g8, queen takes rook, bishop takes rook, and queen g7 check, king e8, queen g8, machas, game over.